Have you noticed everyone is talking about AI, cloud computing, and high paying tech skills? But very few people tell you where you have to actually learn them for free. Well, today I'm going to show you an amazing online free event where you'll be learning something cool. And this event is organized by AWS, Amazon Web Services, and it's happening on 3rd of June. The best part is that it is open for everyone. Anyone can join, whether you're a student, developer, beginners, freelancers, or even someone with zero cloud experience. Now, in this event, you'll be learning about generative AI, agentic AI, cloud computing, serverless technologies, real world customer success stories, and much more. You'll be getting access to live keynote sessions where AWS leaders and experts will share how companies are using AI in cloud technology to transform their business. And trust me, these kind of events are super valuable if you want to build future ready skills and improve your resume and start your journey. Another important thing is that you'll be getting Q&A session where you can interact directly with them and just know more about the event. Now, how to register? The registration process is very simple. You have to click on register now over here and just fill some of the details. So again, click on register button. Here you have to enter your name, last name, country, select your country, it's open for everyone. Then state, city, mobile number, all the things you have to mention. And after that, what you have to do, you have to click on register over here. You have to enter all the details over here, enter these three checkbox and just click on register. Then you'll be getting the session details on your register email. If you're interested in other events which gives us goodies, facts and learnings, you can just navigate to the channel. We have covered everything free of cost and in detail. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.